Welcome to the Feel Good Pouring Station. My name is Garrick Brown, and I hope you enjoy the show. So, my friends, this is a landscape swipe. So, I'm hoping the colors will mesh together and we will create a beautiful landscape in the process. So today I used a 4-to-1 ratio. You typically see me use a 3-to-1 ratio for my paints, and they're mixed up. And you can see that I, of course, use Cell Activator, which is my normal. That is in the description. But the key thing with the landscape swipes is meshing those colors together. So sometimes I like to do a single swipe over two colors, or one long swipe like a zigzag back and forth on the canvas to bring up to mix up some colors between each other to really get that landscape feel and flow. So I wasn't particularly wild about this swipe, so I just decided to pour over it. And if you follow my channel, you know that I say this often. Um, a poured over painting sometimes makes the best end result. So I just was playing around saying paint, and I decided to do a bloom, and you'll see that my background ends up really, really gorgeous. I think some of the colors picked up in the pillow paint, so I got a lot of white and a lot of streaking underneath the sails and the bloom on top. So I actually kept the end result, and it is available if you would like it. It's going to be listed on my website very shortly. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you very, very soon. I have so much to catch you guys up on with the fluid art experience, and just kind of easing back into posting more regularly. I have been extremely busy with two major events back to back, so I am pretty exhausted. But for now, I'll talk to you soon.